In this question, we've been given the equilateral triangle ABC and an inscribed circle with a radius r. We need to show that the area of this purple region can be written as r squared multiplied by 3 root 3 minus pi. So the way we'll go about this, we'll find the area of this triangle and then we'll take away the area of a circle. To find the area of a triangle, we can just use a half base times the height. So we need to work out the length of this base and we need to work out the perpendicular height. We can begin with this angle. We know this is 60 degrees. So if we bisect this and draw a line to the center of our circle, then we can create a 90-degree triangle. The angle here is 30 degrees, half of 60. The opposite side of our triangle will be the radius. What we can find is the adjacent length, which we'll call x, because we know this will be half from A to B. So from our right angle triangle, we've got the 30, the x, and the r. We can take the tangent, so the tan of 30 will be the opposite divided by the adjacent. We can work out the tan of 30 as root 3 over 3. This will be r over x, so we can work out x as 3r over root 3. And this will now give us the length of A to B, which is double that, so 6r over root 3. And every length of our triangle will be the same because it's equilateral. Okay, so we've got the base. Now we need to work out the perpendicular height. And we can work this out using either Pythagoras or trigonometry. I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem. We know the base we've worked out as 3r over root 3. And we know the hypotenuse is going to be 6r over root 3. So if we call this length h, then 3r over root 3 squared plus h squared will equal 6r over root 3 squared. So when we square the 3r over root 3, we'll get 9r squared over 3 plus the h squared will equal the 36r squared over 3. So therefore, 3r squared plus h squared will equal 12r squared. So h squared will equal 9r squared, therefore h will equal 3r. Okay? I'll label this on the triangle as 3r. So the area of our equilateral triangle will be 1/2 of the base, 6r over root 3, multiplied by the perpendicular height of 3r. We'll have the 18r squared over 2 root 3, which we can simplify as 9r squared over root 3. We can simplify this. We'll multiply both by root 3 to rationalize the denominator. So we'll have 9 root 3 r squared over 3. We can simplify this and we get 3 root 3 r squared. And we know the area of this circle will be pi r squared. So the area of a shaded region will be the area of a triangle minus the circle pi r squared. We can factor out the r squared and we get 3 root 3 minus pi. Okay?